Can you solve this dbms question from Gateda 2025? Hello, welcome to episode 6 of Solve With Me, a series where we tackle one problem in every video. Today's question is this. If a relational decomposition is not dependency preserving, which one of the following operations will be performed more frequently than the others in order to maintain the dependencies? And the options are selection, projection, join, and set union. Pause the video and give it a try yourself. Let us now solve this together. So the question first implies that there's a parent relation that is decomposed into multiple smaller relations that together do not preserve all the functional dependencies of the parent table. Maintaining the dependencies becomes difficult when performing operations like inserts, deletes, and updates. For instance, let this be a parent table with the functional dependencies name implies district and district implies pin number. Let these be the decomposed tables. Note that a union of the two tables FD sets is not equal to the FD set of the parent table. We lose district implies pin number in the decomposition. Let us now have a look at how each operation would be impacted. We'll start off with the insertion of this entity. The new row can be added to each of the decomposed tables without any hassle, but you'll observe that it does not continue to satisfy the FD district implies pin number because over here A has the pin 246. However, it can only have the pin 123. Therefore, to reject this insert, the table would have to be joined to recreate the parent table in order to maintain this FD. Similarly, if P2's pin in R2 is directly updated to 123, the FD would once again not be maintained, and to prevent this from happening, a join would be required prior to the update. Further, let's say row 3 from R2 was deleted, the FD would again not be followed because this time A would point to both 1 to 3 and a null value. Therefore, a join before the delete is vital. Through these cases, you'll observe that a join is necessary before any selection or projection for the different operations. Selections and projections themselves do not help in the maintenance of FDs. They just select rows and columns respectively, but do not recreate the FDs from the decomposed tables. In the case of set unions, they can only be used if the decomposed tables have the same attribute types, which is again really rare. Therefore, for this question, the best option is option C, join. Let me know if you'd like me to create a video on any of the concepts discussed today in more detail. Thank you.